Today we're making hot chocolate, and here's how to make it. So, the first step I would like to do is, first of all, you want to grab a pan so you can obviously cook it in. And then you want to turn the stove on to 5, like medium temperature. Then we're going to stab it open.
Now, why are you having to stab that open?
Well, you want to stab it open so you can pour it in.
Right. But what's different about that hot cocoa mix?
Well, it's supposed to be for a coffee maker, but it just tastes perfectly fine.
That's right. That's one of the Keurig K-Cup hot cocos. And Walker has figured out that it works just fine for regular hot cocoa.
So then when you get this, you want to save it for later. Because we're not quite there. So then you're going to do a cup. A cup or 2 cups. 2 cups is for like if you want a lot of hot chocolate. 1 cup is just if you want just like half a mug of hot chocolate. And if you're lactose free, just use lactose free milk. Which I'm lactose free, but I'm using regular milk anyways. So then you want to wait for it to warm up.
Do not do that at home, anybody. Don't put your hand in the bottom of a hot pan.
I didn't touch it. Okay.
Okay, you're just feeling above it?
Yes.
Okay.
I would say probably 40 more seconds. Now we just wait. Run time. Oh.
Doesn't it make sense to be waiting with the milk in the pot?
No.
Warming up?
Here. Holy crap. So now it should be good.
Again, he is not touching the pan.
Morning simple. Ooh. Nice simple. And you also want to whisk too. Well, this kind of sounds unpleasant. That's because a whisk and this pan do not go together. Now, you do want to just let it sit for a couple minutes. Maybe not a couple, but like a minute or 2. Because one time I made hot chocolate and I like rushed through it. And it was like completely cold, so we had to microwave it. I would say, face the camera here. I would say around 125. Actually, less than that. I would say you can also use this thing to see how hot the milk is.
How hot do you want the milk to be?
I would say like 50, 60 degrees.
That would still be pretty cold.
Oh. Well, I think it's time for hot chocolate. It's 120 degrees. So, oh no, don't want to turn it off. So what you want to do is instead of just pouring it in and like doing this with the pan, you want to whisk it while pouring it in, or else it won't work because then it'll be like clumpy.
Okay.
So, and also even when it's in, you still want to whisk it. And I would say you want to whisk it till it's kind of starts to turn whitish, kind of. Like, I'll show you. Face the camera here. Look, I would say... when it starts to be... I would say this is starting to be good. I would say that's good, and then you may want to sit for a little longer even though it's burning hot. Oh. Oh crap. I got it in. It's in. Oh crap, Mom.
Okay, let's brainstorm here. There we go. Use another tool to get it out. Here, why don't you get like
A spoon?
a fork or a spoon?
This is not meant to happen, guys. Crap. So then this is good. So no more whisking. You can put this in.
Looks like it's starting to almost bubble.
You don't need it to bubble, Mom.
Okay.
I'd say this is around good. And then once you finish like this, you want it to rinse it in the pan because it's hot. And when you see no more steam, you can just let it sit. Then you want to also turn off the stove.
Mm-hmm.
And then, where is it? Here it is. You also gotta make it nice if you want nice hot chocolate. Got inspired from this from
Totally got a marshmallow.
I got inspired from making a hot chocolate video from Cooking with Kian. He's like 14, 15-year-old kid.
Mm-hmm.
He's a pretty good chef. And he made a video on French hot chocolate. I'm not doing French hot chocolate, but that's what inspired me.
Okay.
So in this video name, I'll add him. So if you click on it, you can see his tin.
Okay.
We also need
All done?
what's in it,
Okay.
which I can't reach, Mom. Can you get it? Let me record first.
You can pause it.
You paused it?
Oh, you can.
Oh. You need the whipped cream. Hi, guys.
Here you go.
So now they have the whipped cream, as you can see right here. You wanna
Makes everything better.
add it on. If you can get the last, whatever it's called, bite, no.
So you like to put the marshmallows on and then add the whipped cream. Some people might do the whipped cream and then the marshmallows, huh? Either one's right, I would say.
Well, I don't even really like whipped cream in my hot chocolate. I'm just doing it for fanciness.
Okay. Okay, so we all done?
No, we're not all done. You gotta taste test it. You also want a spoon. That's really good. Well, plain whipped cream.
Do you approve?
Oh my God, it's hot.
Yeah, be careful with the hot cocoa. All done?
Let's see. Oh, it's still 140 degrees, so. Already got planned for my next video. Next video is going to be bagels with Nutella on them.
All right, tune in next time.